Let's clear the confusion around regression today. Now, most of you know correlation, and so you know that in correlation, we understand how one variable affects the other. So, regression, on the other hand, ups the game and tells you three additional information. One, it tells you how one variable affects the other. Second, it also tells you how much of an influence one variable has on the other. Third, it can help you predict the outcome. Let's take an example to understand this. Let's say you have data around the number of hours you study and the marks that you score. Now, correlation, of course, will tell you how these two are related. If you studied more, did your score increase or decrease? Regression, on the other hand, will of course tell you how your marks are related to the number of hours that you're studying for. It'll also help you predict how much your marks will increase if you increase or decrease the number of hours that you're studying for, which is why it is called the prediction tool. Regressions will have one dependent and one independent variable. The independent variable is usually called the predictor, and which over here would be the number of hours that you study for, and the dependent variable is the one which is the outcome or the variable in which you see the changes happen, which over here would be the marks that you're scoring. Where then can you go wrong with regression? One, you use it without knowing the assumptions. Second, you confuse the dependent and the independent variables because at times you may have multiple one of these. Lastly, you may be applying a regression where it may not be required at all you needed was a correlation. Remember, correlation tells you if there's a connection and regression helps predict. I hope this helps.